NFPA 72-2025 National Fire Alarm and Signaling Code. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's electrical codes and standards. This 12-hour instructor-led course covers NFPA 72 compliance and the latest fire safety standards. Students learn the application, installation, inspection, testing, and maintenance of fire alarm systems, including supervising stations, public alarm reporting, and emergency communication systems. What you'll learn. Students will learn about significant changes to the 2025 NFPA 72 standard, including documentation of circuit types and classes, cybersecurity, remote access, and new Level 4 survivability. Students will also take part in technical workshops and exercises to apply their knowledge of fire alarm system types, selection, and applications in various structures and processes, as well as special systems designed to prevent costly and life-threatening industrial fires or explosions. This course delivers real-world scenarios, case studies, and interactive discussions to bring the NFPA 72 code to life. Students will graduate with practical tips, insights, and solutions they can immediately implement back on the job. Who should attend? This course is designed for fire system and electrical installation personnel, testing and maintenance staff, electrical contractors, facility managers, fire alarm, and building inspectors. This course comes with a NFPA 72-2025 training certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, and comprehensive PDF course materials. Register today for EFTI's NFPA 72-2025 training and ensure your fire alarm and signaling systems meet the latest code requirements with confidence.